Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here on today. This is Vlogmas 2022, where I'm counting down to Christmas with 25 videos, a combination of shorts and full-length videos. In today's video, I am styling my Winter Wonderland Christmas village on top of my dining room buffet. So let's enjoy the video together. And of course, you know I'll be back to chat with you in just a little while. To all of my loyal subscribers, I thank you so much for all of your continued support. I thank you for your thumbs up and your comments because you know thumbs up and comments help my channel to grow. And if you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And here on my channel, I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. And if these are things that interest you, by all means, come on and join my growing YouTube family. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and, of course, a Happy New Year. I know, we're still weeks away, but just in case you get busy, I get busy, I forget, I'm saying it now. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, and God bless. Thanks so much for watching today's video and hanging with me for Vlogmas 2022. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video, which is tomorrow.